Okay, I'll catch you as soon as I buy my lunch. Bye bye. Position the mic. However far it lets me go. I don't know how awkward this is going to look. Okay, this is like a little DIY. Alright, let's get straight to it. So this is the soft box that I bought. What soft box is it? It's a shop called Unused Online on Shopee. Lighting Studio E27 single light lamp bulb tube soft box kit for the photo. Interesting. MK Making Studio. It says made in China. Fluorescent. Okay. Spiral application photo and video color temperature 55,000 K. Average light hours 8,000. 150 watts. It must be the bulb. The MK bulb. Focus out. I hope so. I guess that is the last thing that we need to touch. Got something like a tripod bag. I'm guessing it's the stand. Velcro. Aha, it's the box. Box, as you can see, it's got the bulb holder inside of it. Okay, with the reflectors, and then the hinge to put the pole, the tripod in, the switch, and Z plug. It actually came with proper bubble wraps, but I got the bubble wraps out of my house because avoid any form of contaminants. Package coming all the way from God knows where, so yeah. Please don't break. Build quality, okay. This one definitely feels flimsy a bit. It does. Over here feels a bit flimsy. The knobs here to tighten the hinges, plastic. Otherwise, this is like some Okay, so speaking of this, the build quality, like that sort of steel, plasticky feel, I'm not sure what it's called. I don't know why the base is not. Okay, much better. I had to widen it out properly, the legs. So you've got one hinge there. And that's for the legs, and then one hinge here for this pole, and then one more hinge here for the top pole. Okay, so how do we put this on? Not so difficult as I thought. Okay, and this is the material to soften the light up. Well, it's also Velcro and 4 points? Yep, 4 points. How do we hold this thing up? I just needed to forcefully press it down. Beautiful, beautiful. I think my setup is good. Now is the moment of truth, whether it's going to work or not, and for that I need a pen. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. So it's a wide slide. I should actually turn the camera around. Rule number 1 is to put your subject facing the light and your camera at the back of the light. I think the product does what it says, and it was delivered well, good. Not too long, a week and a half or 2, and the price, it was 108 bucks. I think it's good, 108 bucks. The quality is fair. You can always replace these tripod thingies, you know, you can always put it onto, as long as you got hinges that are interchangeable, you can always modify it. In fact, you can even use your tripod for other things, that's a good thing. And this, it's a removable bulb sort of thing, so you can always change it to another color that you would like to, orange, blue, red, whatever, as you wish. And it's small, it's portable, 108 bucks. I think it's good. And I would prefer a fluorescent to a warmer tone. You can, most of the housings have warmer tone already, so this could supplement or this could counter it. So yeah, I really like it. Oh god, I hope the audio was loud and clear. Let me show you how sad it looks. Did it do the job? Drop me a comment. I think we're good, but you know what? The real test is going to be when when it's literally night, and then I've optimized my lightings, and should I save that for another video? So, how did you enjoy the time lapse? I really enjoyed it, and as you can tell, yeah, I'm back from my jog, so I didn't want to push this video longer because I'll forget about it and then it'll never happen. So yes, early on you watched the unboxing of this product. Now let's see how good it is. Now, like I've mentioned before, video studio setup, you have to make sure your content is good. Most of my vlogs I'm talking crap, but still, please, can't afford to lose the watch time, so continue to watch it. Audio, I'm using back to the bigger M1-1 mic, and then video. So the important thing about video is important, like it's important, but yeah, it's important. Okay, so lighting is very important. As you can see from some of my vlogs, when I vlog it in my previous vlog, somewhere here, the lighting is very harsh when you use direct sunlight, especially when you're out in the sun. So in your own studio setup, you can optimize the lighting to your needs and wants, right? So right now, I have got this little lamp here. This is from a DIY shop. It's a warm tone. Okay, let's put it back on. Gives me a bit of a warm tone. And then I have got this little Hello Kitty looking sort of light. I don't even know why I bought it. They said it was sale, it was 2 ringgit, so I just bought it. But I mean, remember the McDonald's photo shoot that I did? Yeah, I used this to emphasize on the products. And it does give me a bit of extra lighting. I don't know if I need it, but okay. I will take what I got. Oops, coming into frame. Back. Okay. And then my own room light is on. Now this is the light that you don't want, because if you can avoid it lah. Because less like direct sunlight, you're gonna have harsh lights from above, and that will cause the shadows here, everything will look dark, especially if you're like in the beauty industry, what else, hair stuff. So that's the reason I got the soft box, right? You want optimum lighting. And also, I'm not sure whether this video has got noise. What is noise is basically those dots, those you will be able to see maybe on my black shirt, t-shirt. you won't get that if your ISO is not too high. Now ISO is like a way of how your camera compensates in a very low light situation. So if you're shooting out at night, it will tend to try to take in more light, and that will cause this noise. It's called noise. Let's now on the home studio light and see what difference it does. I'm going to on the studio light, I'm going to off the room light, and maintain these two warm lights, and then we'll see. Okay guys, turn the light on. Guys, hello. Okay, it's a one-man show, excuse me. Okay, so what just happened? Okay, oh crap. That light is a white fluorescent light. If you can tell from my reflections, my glass is terribly scratched. Okay, this camera has got the capacity to tell me when there are overexposed parts. Overexposed means there's too much of lights. I will lose detail in this background, and all you will be able to see is just white. You won't be able to see the fine lines. So now is when I got to reduce the shutter speed. There we go. So I don't really have those harsh shadows in my previous videos, if you were to see. And also I think the lighting is not bad. We've got a fine balance. I'll speak more about this in upcoming videos, like a simple budget studio lighting setup, because it is very important to give you that aesthetic additional points, right? Especially if you are in the industry of making your subject look very nice. So my verdict on this product, I think 3 thumbs up, because it's affordable. Well, it's something that is not portable. That is the cons. It is power source dependent. Unless you are a big setup and you've got portable power and stuff, then it's no problem. It's mainly for home setup or your work studio setup. And actually this one is very, very bright. I would say this is at a distance of 1.5 meters from me, because if it's too close, it's sufficient to light up a room. After I see the video, I will know. So in the meantime, maybe you can tell me what you think of this product, and yeah, leave some comments if you enjoy this type of videos and stuff, or you want me to experiment with more stuff to see what can work to help your studio improvise. Yeah, just comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. It is important. It will help me, and you yourself have a great week. Until then, bye bye.